Welcome to Gino's Garage. It's bright out here, that's why I got the glasses on. I'm going to be working on replacing our air compressor, 12-volt air compressor with a... So yeah, we're going to be replacing this air compressor with this ultra quiet air compressor. If it works out, I'll leave a link in the description on what it is. And this is, I think, an old Thomas. So I'm going to see if this will fit in the same place, and we'll see how it goes. Let's see. I'll have you listen to this one. Kick it on for a second. That's how loud it is. We'll get the new one in there and then let you hear it. Alright, so I got the new air compressor installed. I had to do some work to get it installed. I had to kind of add on the back there a little bracket because it's a little bigger footprint. So I used the original bracket. This one comes with a hose, so I had to get a little adapter here to go to the, and a reducer down to the, this is a check valve here too, by the way. So that would connect. So I've already run it a little bit, as you can see. It's got some air pressure on it, but let's kick it on and see what it sounds like. This has got a pretty good vibration isolation. Oh, it already satisfied pressure already. You can see it's pretty quiet. So I think this is going to be a pretty nice upgrade. If you go on Amazon and just search super quiet or ultra quiet 12-volt compressor, you'll come up with several options. It's in around the $130 range. So I don't know the longevity of this, so I'm not going to give a link just yet on it, but until I get some miles on it. But I mean, for $130, you really can't complain. The Thomas compressors are, you know, 3 and 4 times that amount. So, you know, and it's, you heard it at the beginning of the video, you know, it's not as quiet as this one. So we'll see how it goes. But certainly it's a lot better. You can't barely hear this inside at all. Now, the other one, I could hear it when it was running inside the coach. So this is going to be a nice little upgrade. I mounted the little air thing on a bracket here. So, because this before was mounted directly to the compressor. So I had to make a little bracket, or get a bracket. I had these brackets. So I bolted it on, and I used the little ground screws and bolted it onto that bracket. So that's that. I think overall, I think it's a good success. Like I said, we'll report back on how it does over time. Well, we appreciate you watching, and keep an eye out for newer videos as they come along.